एक काम करो, इसका जो कुछ भी मतलब होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख कर भेज दो, हम भी समझ पाएंगे। टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, टेक योर टाइम।
No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need.
तो अप्रॉक्स 34 to 33 किलोमीटर्स हम लोग ने कुछ कवर किए हैं और बराबर हम लोग पानी कलेक्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे रुके और यहीं से हमारा टर्न है। एक अच्छा रास्ता है, कुछ 12 किलोमीटर का स्ट्रेच है, तो वी आर गोना बी प्रिपेयर्ड। चिन्मय इज़ राइडिंग दिस डेस्टिनी 125। सो एक्चुअल स्कूटर ज़्यादा चली नहीं है, बट देन कैसे लोग अलग अलग तरीके से चलाते हैं तो वाइब्रेशंस काफ़ी है। सो बट ठीक है, ओवरऑल रास्ता अच्छा है। चिन्मय कसा एक्सपीरियंस स्कूटरचा?
इट्स क्वाइट गुड बट ठीक है, पावर कमी है।
Hero should have put that new Xpulse का engine into this i3s technology Destiny 125. Alright, overall good experience. धूप काफ़ी है, so it's quite difficult to wait at one particular spot, but that's fine. अभी वहाँ पे जाएंगे। And what's the time by now?
It's 12:12.
12:12.
If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
We have parked our motorcycles on approx 1 to 1.5 kilometers we have to complete by walking such a route. Do not throw plastic, no smoking, no drinking, also not to tease all of those wild animals. Not really wild animals like tigers and giraffe, but then there will be monkeys passing by, so we just have to make sure that we don't disturb them, don't try to play or tease them, because they can turn out to be dangerous for us. Well, that's like the first glimpse of the Yana Caves.
Yeah, there is a good option. We can get drinking water over here.
Okay, right in
Put
there.
in your bottles.
That is true. Do you think this is the top?
Oh no, it isn't, I guess.
See,
I think
there
there
are
are
a few
two
steps in there. Right from that side. That side.
We're going?
Nah, we're not. This greatest amazing part is there are few stones blocked in between just because of the shape of this mountain. यहाँ पे एक दिखाई दे रहा है. I'll point it in the video. There is one more right over there. और बराबर उस स्टोन के नीचे there is a building, not a building but then एक ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे उन लोग ने एक घर जैसा कुछ बांधा है, शायद से यहाँ पे कोई गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज़ का काम करने का ऑफिस होगा शायद से. बट दैट इज़ ऑन थिंकिंग कि अगर एक आध कोई आई शुड बी सेइंग दिस, बट अगर एक आध कोई अर्थक्वेक हिट बैठ जाए एंड इफ दैट स्टोन फॉल्स डाउन, कितना टन का पत्थर होगा वो और कितना प्रेशर से गिरेगा. इट वुड बी अप्रॉक्स 8 to 9 फ्लोर्स अप देयर एंड ये टोटल कुछ मेरे हिसाब से 19-20 माले के बिल्डिंग के हिसाब से उतनी हाइट तो इसकी ज़रूर होगी. Looks damn huge. So there is one right over there and there is another one right at the back. So वो actually वो हैरी पॉटर का घर को क्या बोलते हैं? हैरी पॉटर स्कूल Hogwarts. It looks like Hogwarts. It feels as if like it does.
Finally, guys, we have reached Yana Caves. So we really had a good trek of 1 hour maybe.
1 hour, approx 1 hour of,
approx 1 hour of
step
trekking.
climbing.
Yeah,
So it was quite tough.
and it's worth visiting. You can just see how beautiful and massive it is.
Yeah,
Also, you can see the other one over there.
yeah, it looks like Hogwarts School, right from Harry Potter. But then I would just say, first you'll have to drive. If you're driving from Gokarna, it's gonna be 48 to 47 kilometers, and after that an hour of trek. Not a trek, but then hill climb. So maybe you can start your day early so that you can skip the sunny part or maybe sharp
Sunlight
rays.
rays, yeah.
Exactly. But then worth visiting. Do not miss this. We did find some of the reviews which were mentioned on Google. That the caves are not that okay, like not that great or something. किसी को पसंद नहीं आया होगा
Yeah,
शायद से.
if someone is not fan of trekking, they
Huh.
won't like this.
Yeah, but
someone who is a lover for hiking and stuff like that, you can.
you
definitely go.
can visit here. That is true. Do not miss क्योंकि देखो गोकर्ण वैसे भी बार आपका आना नहीं होने वाला है.
So
And
try to complete these locations
True.
in one trip in one go.
exactly. So well, if you have any questions, maybe we would be ending this vlog right over there.
Yeah.
So maybe if you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. We'll try our level best to answer you. Okay, there are few monkeys around. Be
yeah.
careful with your phones,
With your belongings,
with your belongings.
do
That
not
is
keep
true.
anything in your hand.
Haan, in
Also,
your
do
hand.
not feed them.
You also don't feed them. That would be the greatest part. They have the habit of eating things on their own.
Also,
So,
it is mentioned on the board also. that
Exactly,
do not feed
notices,
the
correct.
animals. Yeah.
so you have to be careful with it. Overall, a good one. So this would have been the last vlog
Yeah.
of this playlist. Maybe, not quite sure. But then we might vlog a bit on our return journey, but not quite sure we would make a vlog out of it. So see you in the next travel trip. Yeah,
Next
of course. Next plans coming soon. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel.
Also,
if-
follow us on Instagram.
where is it? Where is it? Yeah, right there. Okay, fine. So that's it for now, guys. We True Travenians signing out. Keep sharing love, and see you in the next vlog.